So the first we have, ऐसे लोग स्वार्थी होते हैं. Such people are selfish. Such people are selfish. ये बहुत नाइंसाफ़ी है. This is so unfair. This is so unfair. मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो. You stay out of this. You stay out of this. अपना फ़ोन चालू रखो. Keep your phone on. Keep your phone on. मैं तुमसे बाद में निपटूंगा. I'll deal with you later. I'll deal with you later. मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूँ. I have had enough of you. I have had enough of you. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like such people. I don't like such people. मुझसे अपने हाथ हटाओ. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. तुम माफ़ी के लायक नहीं हो. You don't deserve forgiveness. You don't deserve forgiveness. कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा है. There is nothing left to say. There is nothing left to say. चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. हर कोई तुम्हारे पीछे क्यों पड़ा है? Why is everyone after you? Why is everyone after you? कोई दरवाजे पर है. Someone's at the door. Someone's at the door. मैं शादी कर रहा हूँ. I am getting married. I am getting married. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? पकड़े मत जाना. Don't get caught. Don't get caught. तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? Who are you going with? Who are you going with? आखिरकार वो हमारा दोस्त है. He is our friend after all. He is our friend after all. वो बाइक से गिर गया. He fell off the bike. He fell off the bike. मैं इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ. I am working on it. I am working on it. मेरी आँखों में देखो. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. तुम मुझसे बच नहीं सकते. You cannot get away from me. You cannot get away from me. मैं तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं हूँ. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. Now it's your turn. मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूँ. इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू.